Hey everyone, in this video tutorial we will talk about set method in doubly linked list. As we have already seen set method in singly linked list, so set method in doubly linked list is exactly same as set method in singly linked list. And if you want, you can pause this video, write your own code and then match. So let's begin. Firstly, set method changes value of the node by its position in the linked list. And how its pseudocode works, let's see. So firstly, we will define a function that accepts value and an index. Once that is done, we will use get function to get specific node. After that, we will check if our node is not found. Then we will return false. That means our index provided is invalid. Else, if node is found, we will set the value of that node to be the value passed to that function and then we will return true. Here, we will create our set method. And as per our pseudocode, set method will take index and the value as a parameter. After that, as per our pseudocode, it is saying use get function to get specific node. So we will write let found node. As you remember, in the last video tutorial, I have told you that node will be required in set method. So now I will call this dot get and there I will pass index. After that it is saying if node is not found, return false. So I will write if found node is equal to null. That means node is not found. So we will return false. After that it is saying if node is found, that means else part. Set the value of that node to be the value passed to that function and return true. So we will write our else part, or without else part also it will work in the same way. And there we will do found node dot value is equal to val. After that we will simply return true and we are done. Let's call our set method and see how it's working. So doubly linked list dot set, I will try to set the value at index 1 and value will be 7 and wrap this thing inside console.log. Once that is done, let's go to the browser. This time it's returning true, but I actually want to see my list whether the value is updated or not. So instead of returning true, I will return this. And this time we are getting our doubly linked list and there at index 1. That means the second value. Our value is 7 instead of 2. So yes, our doubly linked list value is changed. Suppose if I will try to give some negative value or invalid index, instead of 1 if I will give -1, then it is returning false. That means our doubly linked list is working as per our expectation. With this, we will sum up this video tutorial. And my friends, please follow my complete playlist on data structure and algorithms and feel more confidence. Thank you very much for now. Let's meet in our next video tutorial.